Hi. In the last video, we have seen the different ways in which the int or char data types can be used. I hope that should be easy for you to understand, and I hope you have experimented with it. Now, in this session, what we are going to do is we are going to understand these four important mathematical operators. Those four operators are plus, minus, subtract, and divide, as well as that last fifth one, that is to perform a mod or remainder operation. Let's begin. Now for this purpose, let's do hash include stdio.h void main, and let's accept a and b from the user. So printf enter a number, or instead of, we can also do some calculation manually, a comma b comma c. Now, the addition and subtraction is fairly simple. So, we'll just try to see the multiplication, division and the mod operation. So, let's just wait here. So, A is, let's say, put a number into it, then B some number, then C, let's say a small number. Okay. Now, let's try to perform some operations on these variables. So, first of all, let's try to do multiplication. So, for that sake, let's have a couple more variables declared. So D is equal to B multiplied by A, that's multiplication. Printf, new line, percent D multiplied by percent D is equal to percent D. You just print the result out here. So B, A, D. That's the multiplication. Let's try it out. Semicolon is missing here. Let's try again. So 41 into 57 is equal to 2337. Things will become interesting when you do the division. Let's see. So A is 57. Let me divide 57 by 5. So A divide by 5. Now, ideally, 57 divided by 5 results into 11 point something. Let's see standard calculator. 57 divided by 5, 11.4. But since everything here is int, we will get only 11 as the output. Let's see. So, let's see. Now, okay, that's showing multiplication symbol. Whatever we want, it's divided by this is equal to this. So, here it is A divided by, instead of percent D, I'll write 5 is equal to result D. So, when I do A divided by 5 or 57 divided by 5, the answer I get is 11. I don't get a floating point number, but I get a floor division. This is called as floor division. So, the decimal point is ignored, and whatever is the quotient part of your division, that is returned. Now, this is when you use int variables. There is another way in which you can get the remainder of this division. And the remainder of this division can be obtained with E is equal to A mod 5. Now, what is A mod 5? When you divide A, that is 57 by 5, the proper division or the complete division will go up to 55, and the remainder is 2. So, let's see. Printf 57 divided by 2 or 57 divided by 5, remainder of this division is percent D comma E. Let's see. So, this is how you print remainder. This mod symbol or this mod operator is used to find out the remainder of a division operation. So, remainder of this division is 2. So, if you want a floor division, just choose int variables and then perform division and then perform the modulus operator or the remainder operator. However, if you want that, no, I don't want this kind of thing and I simply want a proper pure division. Now, in that case, the option is to use a float. Let's look at it. Now I'll just skip A, B, C to be int. and I'll make float d. Now d is equal to a divided by c, or instead of c, let's do a divided by 5. And instead of doing anything else, let's just print the result. So division of 57 divided by 5 is %f, and specify d here. Let's see what it does. Now here your output variable is float, but your input variables on which we are doing the operation, that is 57 and 5, they are not float values, they are int values. Therefore, result is still the floor division. If you want to have a complete or perfect floor division, then make sure all the variables involved are float. Now a is float, we are dividing that float by 5 and saving the result in d. Now this time we will get our proper 11.4 as result. That's how you will use the division and the floor division as well as the modulus operator in C. Thank you for watching this video.